Hello, my friends. This Daytona Orange R90S has some interesting history. But that's a history tale that I can't tell here on YouTube. It's over on my Patreon channel for those of you interested. My Patreon channel is a place where people go to support my video work with a small monthly contribution. I put some material there that can't go on YouTube, and I put some material there that I don't want on YouTube. So if you want to see the latest and greatest, I'd suggest you go over to Patreon. For example, R1100 RTP Part 3, Bargain or Bust. That aired on Patreon last week, but you'll see that here on YouTube this Wednesday. Come on over to Patreon and see the stuff sooner. And stuff you can't see over here on YouTube. I love my YouTube subscribers, but I gotta pay the bills too, and that's when Patreon comes in. Those are the people helping to support my video work so everyone here on YouTube can see my videos too. Come on over and help if you can. Thank you. Good day.